Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you today about organizing your jewelry and the best way to do that, especially with style dots. We have lots of foundation pieces, but we have hundreds of dots that you can purchase to go with your jewelry. And I have my little dot vision clip, which will help you. I'm going to get really fuzzy on here, but it'll help you see the dots that I'm talking about. So maybe I don't want to wear blue anymore. So I can take one of our absolutely sparkling, stunning Swarovski crystal dots. Isn't that gorgeous? All those crystals with all those colors. And I can take this dot out with one of our dot keys and pop this one in. So I always have lots of choices with style dots. Everything is available that can match just about any outfit you can come up with, whether it's fancy like the dot that I just showed you with that couture dot, which is just eye-popping, or something a little more subdued and casual. We've got the dot for it. So that means we have lots and lots of these packages of dots, and as you collect them, you may be wondering how to organize them. So I get these plastic boxes. Okay, they're kind of like fishing tackle boxes, but you can go to Walmart in the craft section and find some where they usually offer some where you can't change the size of the little openings, the little compartments, if you will. And that's what this box with all the coutures is all about. Under 10 bucks, under $10 for these great boxes. Or I also have gotten the kind, okay, that are able to, I'll just open this one up, where I'm able to select the size. So these lift out, okay, these lift out, and then I can just slide it in and make the size section that I want. So you can see that some of my sections are a little bit bigger. And I organize in, these are all dots of what we call dots of the month. The dots of the month are usually a different theme, okay? Something that pertains to a holiday or a birthstone for a month's color or something along those lines. We had some really cute dots that looked like mermaid scales. Let's show that one. Maybe put dot vision on because I think it'll show better farther away without it. Put my hand here. See how it has like the scales of a mermaid? That was a really cute design. And we had some patriotic. We've had the Easter Bunny. We've had hearts for Valentine's Day. And sometimes we have just beautiful flowers or something. And this time in September, we have some really darling black and orange dots for dots of the month. And I'll just show you this one, which I don't think I need dot vision for. Just a little pumpkin. Okay, isn't that cute? Just a little pumpkin that would fit into some of our beautiful foundation pieces. And that's what necklaces or bracelets, rings, earrings, whatever it is that you love. So this is how I store my haul of dots. I have a lot of dots, so I love them. Now, I also want to share with you that if you don't want to spend $10 for a big box and you really only want a small box, the other thing I do is I get these at the Dollar Tree. So these are also great, especially if you're starting out or you want to have a red box and a blue box and a green box. That's another way you could organize them very nicely. So the boxes are great. This one was in the school supply section. There's also some that come in the hardware department of the Dollar Tree. If you look in those aisles, you're going to find them. I also, for those of you that are direct sellers, I love giving these as a hostess thank you gift, okay? And of course I add the little cute Dot Life sticker on there, and then I can just easily, the gals can just easily fill it up with whatever packages of dots that they have. I like to keep my dots in the little cellophane that they come with, okay? Just because then I know what I have, and it protects them. The box protects them against dust. I don't, you know, with the Swarovski crystal couture dots especially, I like to make sure that I'm keeping those dust free. So that's what I have for you today. So you never know what you're going to find next. It could be a little bit of this, it could be a little bit of that, but it's always a daily dose of Deb. I hope you'll stop by my website and take a look. It'll be posted in the comments below. Love you. Bye. Have a great day, everybody.